The Quadraplay should sit fairly level once it's hitched up, and basically what you do with these handles which wind the height of each tool up and down is select which ones you want to have contact with the ground. So at the moment what we have here is what's making good contact, maybe could be a bit deeper, is the rotor spike on the front. The tines second in there are not making contact, the roller is making contact, and the brush isn't making contact. So it's basically just a question of taking these stoppers out and using this to wind the height up and down of each tool.